for meals bought in Cohasset, and I feel like deja vu all over again.
Well, for me, it's new, but yeah. So as I understand it, the state after the recession of 2008, to help local revenues, increased the local occupancy room tax availability. It was only originally 2, now it could go up to 6. And at the same time, they allowed communities to adopt a 0.75% or 75 cents on $100 addition to the meals tax. Now, if you go to a restaurant now, it's 6.25%. So it just automatically rounds to 7. The state collects it like it already collects the regular meals tax from restaurants, and it then remits it to the town. In Cohasset's case, and the state tracks it, they put it up on the Department of Revenue website, because they already know what the 6.25 means, so just adding the 0.75 is easy. And they'll tell you what you would receive month by month. Last fiscal year, the town would have received about $200,000 from this tax, and it's heavily, not exclusively, obviously, a lot of Cohasset residents eat Cohasset restaurants, but it's to a large extent outsiders coming in. And if you're going to Hingham to dinner or lunch, or Hull, or Duxbury, which just passed this in March, you're going to be paying that tax there. If their residents come here, they're not paying that tax. And it's not just so it's definitely some revenue that's non-property tax, which is a really good thing. We don't have a lot of that in the town budget. But it's also something that it kind of balances the field a little bit with all of our neighbors who've already adopted it, and it's really not a very big impact, and it does have the potential to help the budgets of the future.
So as you say, we're one of the few towns in the area that doesn't already do this. And is everyone else the 0.75?
That's automatic.
That's automatic,
That's
so
automatic.
you can't decide. Now, does this cover, I know it covers restaurants, what about Cohasset House of Pizza, that type of place, same thing?
Yeah, prepared, it's generally prepared foods.
Any kind of prepared foods?
There's some things in supermarkets that are covered now. Supermarkets have done so many prepared meals. The rules on that are a little more complicated. So if you were taxed in the store for something, because there's not a sales tax on food all the time in Massachusetts. So if there's a sales tax on the prepared food, you get the roll on. Prepared chickens and things of that sort. And so there's a lot of, and then remember, we have 2 stores. We have 2 big food stores in Cohasset. A lot of folks come from Situate to those stores and home, because there aren't others in the area. So.
All right, and this would take effect July 1st, 2016. And I mean, I think you've done the math. So take the wife out for dinner, $100 at beers. How much am I going to have to pay for this?
75 cents.
75 cents, yes. All right. Well, so then kind of related to